Materials and their properties. Materials are substances used to make everything around us, such as the desks, chairs, bags, books, the doors, windows, walls of your classroom, and so on. All of these are made from different materials, and each material has special properties that make it useful for different purposes. Let's look deeper into the properties of materials. Materials have different properties that make them useful for different things. These properties describe how a material looks, feels, or behaves. Here are some important properties of materials with examples. 1. Hardness. Hard materials do not break or scratch easily. Examples of hard materials are metal, glass, and wood. An example of the use of hard materials is iron. Iron is a metal used to make tools because it is hard and strong. 2. Softness. Soft materials can be easily bent, pressed, or scratched. Examples of soft materials are cotton, wool, and rubber. Cotton is used for making clothes because it is soft and comfortable. 3. Flexibility. Flexible materials can bend without breaking. Examples are rubber, plastic, and fabric. We use rubber to make tires because it is flexible as it bends but does not break. 4. Transparency. Transparent materials allow light to pass through. Examples of transparent materials are glass, clear plastic, and water. We use glass to make windows so we can see through it to the outside. 5. Waterproof. Waterproof materials do not absorb water. Examples of waterproof materials are plastic, rubber, and glass. We use plastic to make raincoats and umbrellas because plastic keeps water from passing through. 6. Conductivity. Conductive materials allow heat or electricity to pass through them. Examples of conductive materials are metals like copper and aluminium. Copper is used to make electrical wires because it allows electricity to flow through. So why are these properties important? The properties of raw materials helps us determine the correct use of the materials in the most effective ways. For example, we use metal for pots because metal conducts heat. We use plastic for water bottles because plastic is waterproof and light in weight. We use rubber for erasers because rubber is soft and flexible. Knowing about raw materials and its properties helps us understand and appreciate its uses in the world around us.